Uh, Good afternoon, Namaste, Sastriyakal, Vanakkam, praise the Lord. Myself Daniel Peter. Today I am saying you about the topic about the NGS system used in the aircraft, nitrogen generation system. In Boeing 737, it is located on the left pack. Pack means what? Packs means there are certain packs. That is what? Pneumatic air condition kits. Okay, this is a part of air condition system. Okay, this is pneumatic air condition kits. Now this is the video about the NGS system, nitrogen generator system. Why it is very so important? It is very important because nowadays, like in the fuel tank, there are three fuel tanks: left wing tank, left wing fuel tank, right wing fuel tank, and center tank. The center tank is more having space. Okay, so in the case of when the oxygen builds up, like when fuel is spread, fuel is poured onto the aircraft. So when what happens, the fuel has oxygen. So oxygen, certain amount, very excessive amount of oxygen, that can create hazardous, that can blast the fuel tank also, or certain fire can occur. So to prevent it, अगर फायर आग लग जाती है तो आग को बचाने के लिए ऑक्सीजन की वजह से हम लोग क्या इस्तेमाल करते हैं? नाइट्रोजन जनरेशन सिस्टम. मतलब वी आर यूजिंग द नाइट्रोजन जनरेशन सिस्टम. नाइट्रोजन जनरेशन सिस्टम कंसिस्ट ऑफ एयर सेपरेशन मॉड्यूल, शट ऑफ वाल्व, रैम एयर शट ऑफ वाल्व, ओजोन कन्वर्टर. Okay. So these are the components of the nitrogen generation system. It has pressure reducer, shut off valves, then air separation modules, then shut off valve, ozone converter. Ozone converter means to avoid the preventing of the ozone. So this is, and its NGF 40 ATF 47 is the ATA chapter of the nitrogen generation system. So nitrogen generation system main purpose is to prevent the oxygen buildup and to make up the form the nitrogen layer, that is nitrogen inert system. That is, the nitrogen is safe, so the nitrogen is spread over the fuel tank and oxygen is cut off. Thank you so much. This is a very important system. Like for example, like in takeoff, NGS system is not required. It is given on the internet. It is not so mandatory when we take off that NGS system should be there. So thank you so much. धन्यवाद. अगर मैंने इस पॉइंट पे लेके, अगर NGS सिस्टम के बारे में कि मैंने बोला होगा, if I said that NGS system is not mandatory during takeoff, please correct me also. But I seen this article from the net. This is all about the nitrogen generation system. Thank you so much.